In this tech tip, I'm going to show you how to use the animation asset parameters specifically designed for factory mods. First, it's important that when you're working with factory mods, you always use the mod-specific animation assets. These are found in the user assets folder as opposed to the system assets folder. Additionally, each asset is marked with a green cog in the lower right-hand corner. By clicking on an object, you can see its properties in the Factory Properties palette as usual. The new animation-specific properties are marked with a capital FM followed by an underscore. These properties can be changed just as any factory property. You'll notice that conveyors now have a motor direction. The motor marks the front of the conveyor. Let's see what happens when we run this scene. You'll notice on the first line, when the boxes hit the third conveyor, they stop. And on the second line, when they hit the Y-merge, they stop. And on the branch, the boxes fall off backwards. This is because the conveyor directions aren't going the right way. So let's try to fix this. Let's click the third conveyor here, and we can reverse the direction. You'll notice the conveyor was put on backwards. Now let's go to this one. Similarly, we can reverse this motor. And then if we click the Y-merge, you'll notice the branch direction default is out, but we want the branch to go in. So we can change that to in. And we also need to change the motor direction to reverse. Now let's see what happens. Now you can see all the conveyors are going the right direction. You can also change other properties. For example, let's select the generator, and let's say we only want it to have red boxes. We can change this one. And let's say we want them to be generated at 3 seconds each. And then we can change this one over here to only do green. And this one we only want blue. Then let's see what happens if we slow this conveyor down.